Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add multiple responses to your Instagram story. So first you need to open up your Instagram and then view your story in which you created a question. Now swipe up and here you will see all of your responses. I have got two responses. So if I need to post them in a single story, first you need to click on reply on one of them and then click on share response. And here you need to choose the background image. I will choose this one. And now you need to save it to your device by clicking on the download button on the top right, and this will save the photo. Now you need to go back and then click on the other response, click on reply and then click on share response, and then here you need to make sure that you choose the background image that you just saved. Now here you can see that I have got two responses on a single Instagram story. So this is how you can do for all the responses on your Instagram story. So I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next tutorial.